There are very few people today.
Yeah, they'll again ask for recording. So it is better that I record the session. I used to get a record button. Now I'm not. I guess it is recording now.
It's recording. It says meeting recording is in progress.
Okay, let us start in that case. See, content marketing. I am starting the session. If you get any doubts, please stop me. Okay. First, what is
Will
content?
will you send this particular slides so that we will not write, or do we have to write it?
If you want, you can take snap, madam. I'll send. Otherwise, no worries. Okay. You can take it or you can take a snap also. If you want, I'll send you the slides also. Nothing to worry. See now, content is nothing but any social media post, any videos, any kind of email, articles, blogs, photos, infographic, or podcasts. Anything is content only. So, with this, you try to use in social media, you are marketing the content.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. If Abhilash,
Sir, can't hear you, sir.
can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Hello, Abhilash, can you hear me? Resume. Just have a look over here. यहाँ पे देखिए, सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर आप कुछ भी पोस्ट करते हो या वीडियोस बनाते हो यूट्यूब या वेबसाइट के लिए, इफ यू राइट एन ईमेल टू एनीबॉडी और राइट एन आर्टिकल, ब्लॉग्स और फोटोज और इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन ए ग्राफिक मींस एक फोटो के ऊपर यू गिव लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. Such things are called as all content only. Content is not something different from what you see this. Written is content, video is content, social media is content, photo is content, articles are content. Okay, anything that you provide information, any info, that is also content, whether it is in the form of a social media post, video, image. Okay, anything is a content itself. So who does write this? Who does create it? Okay, somebody has to do. Okay, if he is a writer, he is called a copywriter. Okay, what is copywriting? Who does copywriting? Copywriter does. So what is copywriting mean? Copywriting is nothing but a form of, it is a form of text, okay, with action words. Please keep these words in mind. Okay, copywriting is a form of text with action words which is targeted to, these action words are targeted to whom? To the customers. Okay, what do these words do? These words try to motivate the customer to buy your product and services. In short, selling with words. बातों से बेचने का चीज जो है उसको कॉपी राइटिंग, मतलब कॉपी राइटिंग, इफ यू राइट एन आर्टिकल इट शुड बी एबल टू सेल द प्रोडक्ट. That is the main agenda over here. So copywriting is a form of text, okay, with action words targeted towards the customers or consumers by motivating them to buy the company's product and services. Is this clear till here? Copywriting is a form of text. Copywriting is a form of text with action words which is targeted to customers or consumers and motivating them to buy your products and services. That is nothing but copywriting. Everybody clear with copywriting? In mind, just keep yourself that selling with words is nothing but copywriting, a major skill. That is a major skill of a copywriter. Selling with words. How do you sell? If you cannot motivate the customer, he will not take action to buy the product. So to make him action about your product, so you have to motivate him. To whom will you motivate him? Your target customer should be motivated. So whatever article you write, you are writing for your target customers. Your target customers need to be motivated. So you write an article to motivate them. Why you are motivating them? To buy your company's product and services. That is nothing but copywriting. 5 times I have repeated. Hope you know now. Okay. Next. See, social media is content, video is content, email is content, articles are content, blogs are also content, photos are content, infographics. See here, info means information, graphics means photo, information on a photo, information on a picture. Okay, that is called as infographics. So best example of infographics are these. See in the images I am going over here. See, these are called infographics. So there is a photo, there is another blog, there is another word. See now. What is paralanguage? Something is there, images are there, content is there, you have some differentiators. Okay, this is, see here, there is an image, there is a route map, there might be an statistics, there might be comparison. Such things are nothing but infographics. Information on a graph, information on a graphic, information on a picture or a photo is called infographic. Hope that is clear now. Podcast, वहाँ पे podcast, there is one word called podcast. See here, podcast. Anybody try to think what is a podcast? A series of audio information. Series of audio information is nothing but a podcast. A series of written information is called a blog. A series of video information is called a vlog. VLOG. Hope those three things are clear. रेडियो में पॉडकास्ट बोलते थे देखो ये लोग. Okay, that is also podcast. Series of audio content is podcast. So audio content is also content. If you don't know, write down what is infographic. If you don't know what is podcast, write down in your notes. Clear है ये बात अभी? यहाँ पे देखते हैं अपने डेली लाइफ में या लाइक हाउ एंड वेयर वी सी things. We'll just don't need to write this. I'll just tell you. Okay, I've just kept it for your basic understanding. You don't need to write this. First, local events are perfect for content marketing. Have you ever been to any local Ganesh festival? You see a lot of banners over there. That is also content. Okay. Next, if you see short videos on social media, they are also content. Curate from your local partners. Suppose you are doing business, you have a lot of vendors. They try to give their quotations and all those things. That is also content. These are all daily life examples I am telling. You also produce your own professional level of and about your product and services. In your daily life, you tell, oh, I have so and so product, it's really awesome. You always produce your own professional grade of content whenever you speak in the business. हाँ ये product ले लो sir, बहुत अच्छा है. So whatever is there, how this content is coming up, because of you can leverage the user generated media. What is a user generated media? People, if you go to Quora, lot of people are asking questions. So what do you see on Quora? Lot of questions are being asked. What does that mean? Lot of people are leaving lot of data. What is the best, which is the best jacket to buy for Canada? Why is Canada not Republic? So here the user is leaving lot of generated data. So you can leverage the data if you are trying to market your product and services. So there you can give a lot of a lot of answers to the questions. You produce your own semi pro grade, means you try to understand all the user content generated data, social media data, your partner data or local data. You produce your own semi pro grade without being, it can be a vocal kind of thing. All the above, everything it might be, all should be what? A storytelling. Okay, storytelling. Successful storytelling means more visitors. Say suppose if you write a very good article, you get more visitors. If you give a very good description for the product, you get more customers in the store. So end of the day, how you represent your product is all about content. Content is the king of digital marketing. Please don't forget this. Okay, without content, digital marketing cannot exist. Without content, digital marketing cannot exist. So it is just for your local understanding I am telling. Whatever you see, or if you are into business, have just produced your semi grade. Some people may be only here, they may be seeing videos. For them this is the right example. For some people, local events, okay, they are into exhibitions, like Manjuji is into exhibitions. For her this is the main, this example will suit her. For people who are sitting at home, they consume lot of videos. Okay, people who are into medical stores, they try to tell this is the best medicine, that is the best medicine. People who are into kirana stores or general stores, they tell this is the best product out of four products, they try to say. People who are on internet, they try to leverage lot of data and use that data to market their product. That is, they produce their own. End of the day, what are all these things? These are all different examples for different people. What are they trying to do? They are trying to create a successful storytelling on the product and services. Why are they doing? More the successful story, more the visitors. If for a digital platform, for a general store, more conversions. Likewise, different example, different. But end of the day, what is this all? Successful storytelling. To whom are we doing? We are telling is to motivate the customer to buy our product and service. End of the day, it goes to this only. What are we doing? Everything we are doing, all this for what? We are targeting the customers. Why do we need to target the customer? Because we need to motivate them to buy our product and service. That is why we need to do this. So if you anytime just write about something, if somebody is telling you or I am giving you assignment, firstly what you need to think now in your mind, think only one thing. Is my article that am I writing is targeting to the customer or not? If yes, is this article motivating them to my product or service? If this doesn't satisfy, what is the use of writing? There is no use of writing only. Two things. From now, if you write anything, always keep in mind, see, you are marketing guys. You are not a generalist or article writer, something like that. You are marketing guys. So whenever you write anything, you have to keep only two things in mind. Am I targeting my right audience? Right audience are who? Niche audience. Niche audience means what? The actual target audience, the actual audience who will buy your product and services. Secondly, you are targeting them. Second point is, are you motivating them to buy your product or service? If no, no use of writing. These 2 points you have to always keep in mind. If you forget, you cannot produce a good copy of content. Clear है ये बात? Okay, chalo. Let us get back to the content. Okay, content ka. See here. If you do not understand, just let me know. This slide talks about usage of content. Okay, content among B2B markets. Today I'm just giving an overview. Okay, just understand the importance of content and this. See here, usage of content marketing among B2B markets. Now, B means what? Business. To business. Suppose there is a company which is trying to target customers. There is another company that is also trying to target customers. Here, the difference is the customer is another business, not a normal customer. I am targeting students. Okay, if Just Dial targets me, it is targeting a business. So B2B business, एक बिजनेस दूसरे बिजनेस को टारगेट करते हैं. ये उसी का डेटा मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, one business company targeting to other business. Is this clear? Now see here, this is another color. This color will match with this color. This color will match with this color. This slowly. See, 2010 light blue color, light blue color. 2012 blue color, blue color. Okay, ये देखो, greenish blue, greenish blue, green color, green color, dark green color, dark green color, lightish green color. So the color is going from left to right. Now ear is left to right. क्या? Ear left to right. यहाँ पे देखो response. Response मतलब कौन क्या बोल रहे हैं. In 2010, see here, 2010 means this. People are telling no to content. Here, are you guys getting this? People are telling no to content. कौन बोल रहा है ये? B2B markets are telling no to content. कितना है industry? 50% of the industry never believed content marketing will really shape their business. Only people in 1%, they believed yes, B2B is very necessary. Okay, they used to advertise in digital medium and so on. See, in 2012, there is only 4.7%. Here, 2% double, there is a rise in 2012. This was because there was huge consumption in digital medium in the year 2012. So there is a rise in people saying yes to digital marketing. If you see in 2014 and 2016, see the every year it is going double from 12 to 2 to 4. 4 again, there is another increase of 50% of this. 4 means 50% of this. 4 divided by 2, 2 are. So stagnant, another 2, 50% growth. If you see here, another 50% growth of the year. Means now what is this? It is growing exponentially over the years. Digital marketing has grown, content marketing has grown exponentially. That is the meaning. Means if you think content marketing will not help you, it will not going to help your business. See here, it is stagnant in 2020. It is going to be stagnant. Means we are this small time vendors. They are not into digital marketing. For those reasons, unorganized industry can never come into digital marketing at certain level. That is why it is 8% stagnant. It may be higher, little bit higher. This is all about yes to content. Now in 2020, people saying no to content very less. People saying yes to content, yes. Everybody is telling yes, we have to do content marketing. Who are telling this? B2B businesses. Clear? Any doubt on this slide? Please unmute your mic and ask me. Unmute your mic and ask me any doubts. Anybody?
Okay,
Radhika? You have to unmute your mic. Anybody? Any questions?
it's okay for me.
Okay, I am asking one more question. Here, there is 1%, suddenly 2%. Where this 2% came from?
The voice is not clear.
Somebody is
Hello?
talking. I'm unable to hear. I hope it is not Abhilash.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
So, what's sir? Because
Yeah,
sir,
You
five,
see
2%.
the, if you see the
sir,
graph here,
the graph will be the first. Second one, the सर उसमें कम हुआ है तो यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हुआ है सर. और यहाँ पर पहले क्या होता है कि कंटेंट को जो नो बोल रहे थे वो इसके प्रोग्रेस को देख के वो यस में कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं.
राइट, यहाँ पे देखो ये 10 का है, ये 5 का बार है, इधर ये 10 का बार है ये. ओके, 10 के मतलब 50% आर टेलिंग नो. ओके, 50% आर टेलिंग नो, 1% इज टेलिंग यस. 1 + 5 कितना होता है? 6. 4% ऑफ पीपल आर टेलिंग व्हाट? डोंट नो. See that picture is coming here. From 0.3 people are telling converting here. इसमें देखो 5% है ना, 4.7 है ये, मतलब 0.3% कमिंग है. 0.7 कहाँ से आ रहा है? अननोन, जो अननोन
वो
था
आई
ना,
डोंट नो वाले में से.
वो आई
आई
डोंट नो
डोंट नो
वाला
वाले.
से इधर आ गया. ये क्लियर है सबको?
यस सर.
यस यस. मंजू मैडम, आर यू देयर? योर नेट इज कमिंग एंड गोइंग, आई गेस.
no, I'm fine.
ओके,
Yeah, it's
चलो
okay.
नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लिख लो ये बात. गोल्स ऑफ कंटेंट मार्केटिंग. Everybody make a note down. Goals of content marketing. Why do we need to? What are the goal? क्यों करना चाहिए? Goals क्या है content marketing का? First option, take down brand awareness. First one, brand awareness. You see all the TV ads, YouTube ads. Okay, most of them are brand awareness ads. They try to tell about the product. So goals for content marketing मतलब वो लोग क्या बता रहे कंटेंट में? They are telling, they are trying to create awareness about their brand. So content marketing में 84% of the companies are using content for creating a brand. Next option is lead generation.
हेलो?
Yes, yes, Radhika, tell me.
क्या
आपको आ रहा है आवाज? आपका फोन पे है क्या या लैपटॉप पे है राधिका जी?
मैं फोन पे हूँ.
फोन पे है क्या? वो देख लो, पिन का इश्यू है क्या, देख लो. बिकॉज सबको ठीक ही जा रहा है आवाज, और इसमें मैक्सिमम रखा हूं मैं आवाज.
ओके, मैं एक सेकंड फिर से मतलब
यू सी माई लैपटॉप. आपका
लॉग आउट करके फिर से लॉग इन कर रही हूँ मैं. ओके.
ओके ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट, आई विल स्टॉप दिस. चलो, यहाँ पे देखो, आप लोग देख रहे हो ब्रांड अवेयरनेस मतलब कंटेंट किसके लिए मेनली यूज हो रहा है? ब्रांड अवेयरनेस के लिए. कंटेंट से क्या होता है? लीड जनरेशन होती है. ओके, using content you can create an engagement towards the customer, you can generate a sale. Okay, you can nurture a need, you can nurture the lead. Okay, you can do customer retention, customer evangelism, upsell and cross sell. Now all this you just write down. If you don't know, I will be telling meaning for each and everything. This data you just leave it. ये कितना percentage क्या है, nothing to do with this data. Okay, these terms are very important for you to know. Brand awareness means creating awareness about the product or services. Write down there. Lead generation, write down finding out customer name, phone number, email address. finding customers name, email address and phone number. Engagement मतलब making a customer attract in your product and service. Attract your product and service. So there is sales. Sales you can write like customer buying your product or service. Then it is said to be a sale. Here there is one tricky word. Nothing to worry on this. There is one word called lead nurturing. Write down. The process of converting the customer to buy your product and service. Process involved in converting the customer to buy your product and service. I'll tell you with examples all these things. Just write down that. And below another word you write down suspect to prospect, prospect to customer. In lead nurturing, below that there is one line. Write down there. जो मोबाइल में है हाथ में पेन ले लो, कुछ तो कुछ करो. Suspect to prospect, prospect to customer. क्लियर है ये बात? नेक्स्ट, customer retention and loyalty. Making the customer your stay with your product. Making the customer to stay with your product. Okay. Next, customer evangelism. Customer, the unpaid indirect brand ambassador of the product. Unpaid, even unpaid bracket में unpaid brand ambassador for the product. Upsell, one product with other product of same brand. Upsell, one product with other product of same brand. Cross sell, write down. Cross sell.
सर अपसेल क्या बोले?
Upsell, one product with other product with the same brand. एक प्रोडक्ट है, दूसरा प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए देखते हैं, एक प्रोडक्ट के साथ दूसरा प्रोडक्ट ओके सेम ब्रांड का हो तो उसको अपसेल कहा जाता है. एक प्रोडक्ट एक ब्रांड का हो, दूसरा प्रोडक्ट इसके साथ वो प्रोडक्ट बेचना, उसको क्रॉस सेल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, I will explain you all the meanings now if you have written it.
क्या बताया आपने? One product with other product with different
Brand, that is
brand,
cross sell.
okay sir.
Different brand, cross sell. One brand, same brand, upsell.
Okay sir.
क्लियर है ये बात? ये देखो, ब्रांड अवेयरनेस मतलब यू नो यू हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ display advertisements, hoardings, boards, all this. Whenever there is a new serial you see on the train, local train Mumbai, you have seen all the pamphlets being stuck on the train. So and so date it is going to come up. You see all the hoarding, that is all brand awareness. Later, lead generation, I have explained you this in the landing pages. Trying to find the customer name, phone number, and email address. Engagement is making the customer to attract your product and services, making him engage to become your customer. For that purpose also we do content marketing. See, if you write content that will generate sales, if you write a very good content that can generate sales, content is directly related to sales. Now lead nurturing, this is very important. Most of the people get confused over here. See, lead generation means finding out how many people are there inquiring about your product and service. Everybody there? Manjusha madam, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You can hear me, right?
Yes, yes. यहाँ पे देखो, nurture. There is a word called nurturing. Generation means finding the customer. Details. Nurturing means you have already found the details. You are trying to convert them into customer. Now there are two things over here to understand. Everybody, please stay here with me. See what am I telling? Listen carefully now. Lead nurturing means we have already generated leads. Say suppose we have generated 500 leads. Write down in rough. Out of 500, only 20 people have converted. How many are left now? How many are left? You have generated 500 leads. Only 20.
480.
480. What do you do for this 480? You email them, you call them, you try to tell the product specifications, details. This process is called lead nurturing.
So in short, we can say, if we select some product on Amazon or somewhere else, any online shopping website, we do add to cart and we get any some notifications, some mails for their price drop or something like that. That is lead nurturing, right?
That is magnetic ads.
Okay.
See, if you look for some ad, okay, and you went on to IRCTC, that ad will follow you on IRCTC portal. After that, you go to some other portal, that ad will again follow you. Right?
Cold calling.
That is remarketing. Cold calling is lead nurturing.
Lead nurturing, right?
Yes, yes. You're calling, you're emailing them, okay, you're speaking to them, and you're trying to convert this 480 into your customers. This is called lead nurture, trying to convert the customer. Next month again you get 500 leads now. Your conversion is 30%. 30. How many are left now?
470. Plus whatever
470
earlier.
plus 480. Earlier also.
Plus whatever earlier remaining.
Earlier. Now you are working on 480 plus 470. Okay. 950. You are working on 950. 950. That is lead nurturing now. Is lead nurturing clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Brijesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Now customer retention. Very, very, very important. Customer retention. See, I'll tell you one small example. Customer retention or customer loyalty. In 2010, there was a very famous company called Nokia. You remember this? Okay. There was a battery called BL5. Okay. All over India, there were 12 explosions with that battery. Okay. Nokia, what did they do? Next day on the main paper all over India, they have released telling that there is an issue with the battery that is made in Chennai due to some technical error. There is an explosion in so and so. please check your batteries and rechange them immediately. Go to the nearest center without any cost. They exchange all the batteries. So now here, does the customer will go to any other product to buy? Next time if we get any issue, he'll buy only Nokia. Why? Because he is giving it free of cost. He's telling what is the problem. He's trying to retain the customer without sending him to other brand. Why Nokia became failure? That is a different thing. That is after this. They went into the miniaturization of the product and people were demanding touch and use products. That's a different story. Retention is all about making the customer to stay with the same brand. Okay. See, there is another word called customer evangelism. What did we say here? Customer evangelism means he is a kind of person who says this is the best product. Say suppose I'll ask, here Radhika is there, Abhilash hai, Manjusha ji hai. I will ask three of you that which is the best phone to buy. Radhika is telling to buy Samsung. Manjusha madam is telling to buy Apple. Okay, Abhilash is telling to buy Oppo phone. After 5 days again I will ask. Radhika is telling again Samsung. Manjusha madam is again telling Apple. Abhilash is again telling Oppo. These are the people who are being affiliated with those brands and all their problems are getting solved using those brands. So they don't want to change their brand. So they are called as evangelists to the brand, and in unpaid indirect brand ambassadors are called as. These people are basically psychographic people. In behavior, there are 4 types of behaviors of a customer. Okay, geographic behavior, psychographic. So it comes under psychographic. They tend to feel only this is the best brand. They tend to feel this is the best product. That is called as. This word psycho means what? What does it mean? Means the way of thinking by a customer. Psychographic means way of thinking by a customer.
What are the rest two then? One is
I will tell you, madam. I will tell you. I will tell you in business class.
Okay, so basically you mean mouth to mouth publicity types, whoever is doing it?
Yes.
Kind of.
Kind of. Yes, yes.
As in, like, you know, if I like a product, meaning if I buy a product from XYZ person and if I like it, and if I keep on telling everyone, okay, you can buy this, buy this, buy this, kind. This person is feeling this very
you
good.
always refer to only one product, not other brand.
Not other brand.
Means you are always okay with one brand. Customer psychic behavior बोलते हैं उसको.
In other words, it's loyalty also.
Loyalty also. Clear? Okay. Upsell, cross-sell, you know now. So why do we do content marketing? What are the goals to be achieved? All these are the goals to be achieved. Now in interview, if they ask you, why is content marketing important for a business? You have all the answers. Next question they may ask you in the interview. What are you good at with content marketing? You can tell I am good at brand awareness, lead generation. I am very good at writing content that can engage the customer. I can generate, my content can nurture the lead. If you send proper emails, okay, the customer suspect can be converted to a prospect. Prospect can be converted to a customer. Now over here in nurturing, I told write down a word called suspect, prospect, and customer. Now what is meant by suspect? Suspect is a person who is looking for a product and services in general. मतलब उसको खरीदना है बोल के just घूम रहा है. Say suppose you all were there. You all were going to 10-15 institutes. That is suspect. After that you finalize 2 institutes. मुझे करना ही है digital marketing. You have finalized a call 1-2 institutes, means you are a prospect now. Compulsory वो करना ही है. Once somebody may give you the right guidance, you may take up there. Okay, then you are a customer. Like that it is. Anything customer cycle में first एक general होता है, that is called suspect. Next is a prospect. Next is a customer. Clear this? Okay. Yes. Next, write down this challenges in content marketing. Challenges in first one, write down all these things like budget issues. Write down these main words. First, write down budget issues.
All these things, budget issues, lack of skills, everything we need to write.
All this you need to write.
सर ये जो सर्कल है वो तो 100% पे होगा ना, बट ये 101% है सर.
हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं ज्यादा हो गया रहेगा.
हाँ वही हुआ है.
Done, sir.
Right?
Done.
See, अभी देखो, challenges मतलब इंडस्ट्री में ये जो भी है ये सारे challenges है. बहुत सारे कंपनीज के पास बजट नहीं है कि वो लोग कंटेंट राइटिंग करे. दे डोंट नो टू मेंटेन बजट फॉर कंटेंट राइटिंग. Say suppose you are running a college, you have placements, but you don't have money for placements by the college. That is this. That is why colleges are not successful in placements. They don't have budget for placements. So for content, they don't have money for getting the content done. Okay, next. Industry lacks lot of skills for content. Okay, that is 11% of industry is suffering with the content. Now, lack of knowledge on consumers and customers. People don't have proper knowledge on the customer process. Customers कैसे है, customer behavior कैसा होता है, consumer behavior कैसा है, that knowledge they don't have. Okay. Next, lack of content writers in the industry. 21% of the industry is lacking content writers. You all have a great chance. India may 75% of the industry is not having content writers. Means if you really develop good grammar skills, you can literally do good over here. Next, people do not know about technology. If they are good content writers, they are not able to use proper technology. Blogging कैसे करना है, लैंग्वेज कैसे यूज करना है, लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर्स कैसे लिखना है, मराठी में ब्लॉग्स कैसे लिखना है, they don't know. Lack of engagement, everything is there, but they are not able to attack the customer properly. That is another thing. That is why it is called lack of engagement. So these are the challenges. So which challenge you can address, you have to understand now. Okay. Next, if they tell you in interview, why should I hire you for content writing job? This should be the answer. Why should I hire you for content writing job? Matlab, I am good at content writing skills. I have a deep understanding of customers. Moreover, I can engage the customers and I know the technology. So I am best for content writing job. That should be the answer. Everybody clear here? Next, यहाँ पे देखो 80% of B2B companies are telling that they have content marketing strategy. Here, overall out of this 80%, 48% don't have a written plan how to do content marketing. Written plan नहीं है. 48% of the industry means 50% they don't have a written plan. Means what? In this case, 99%. This means they really don't have any clue in what they are doing in content marketing. Means if you go to any industry, if you go to any company, you can literally use these 3 slides. Ek, 1, then 2, and this basic slide. You can easily create a vacuum in the HR room itself by telling them content has this value. These are the things. I am very good at content. I can really produce a good content. Like that, you can pitch the industry, because these are the goals. Most of the people, they don't know only it. If you go and meet anybody, they are not aware of these people in the industry, and you are telling them what are the issues. That is why the business is not going well. If you tell these things, they'll easily hire you. So these are the things you should keep in mind. In the interview, you should talk all these subjective things. Next, see here, लीडिंग कंटेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर बिजनेस टू बिजनेस. मतलब ये देखो वेबसाइट्स में कंटेंट कितना जाता है. 2010 में वेबसाइट्स का देखो पूरा बढ़ रहा है. अभी देखो 2017 के बाद 80% स्टैग्नेंट हो गया. वेबसाइट्स में कंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. मतलब वीडियोस ये वो कंटेंट ज़्यादा बढ़. सोशल मीडिया पे स्टैग्नेंट ही आ रहा है. सेम पीपल सेम लेवल ऑफ अपडेट हो रहा है. प्रिंट मीडिया में भी 1% बढ़ा है. ओके, ज़्यादा नहीं है. Mobile may see every year it is going double. See here 1.5, 2.8, okay, and then there is 6%, 2.8 to 6. Now it is almost about 8%, 8.5% तक जा रही है. So content कहाँ पे distribute हो रहा है सबसे ज़्यादा? मोबाइल and वेब में ज़्यादा distribute हो रहा है. सोशल मीडिया पे थोड़ा सा stagnant है, थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा नहीं. ओके, ये पॉइंट क्लियर है सबको? मोबाइल यू हैव टू टारगेट द कंटेंट, यू हैव टू टारगेट द कंटेंट. मतलब अगर वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, इज द वेबसाइट मोबाइल फ्रेंडली और नॉट, दैट यू नीड टू चेक. आर यू configuring the entire articles as per mobile friendly articles or not? That is what you need to always keep focus. Next लिख लो. Methods to promote content. Methods to promote content. Methods to promote content.
to make this graph for your
Just write down this. SEM, SEO, PPC, banners, native, social media, and promoted. Don't draw the graph, just write down. लिख लिया? ओके. SCM का फुल फॉर्म है सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग. सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग मतलब content is being distributed using search engine, paid and unpaid mediums. That is called SEM. Paid and unpaid medium is called SEM. Next, SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. These are ads, paid ads, SEM, organic, SEO. Okay. Next, print media. You know, say suppose एक बॉटल है आई ड्रॉप्स, उसके ऊपर भी प्रिंट है. That is print medium. Newspaper, article, journals, banners. डिजिटल बैनर्स भी है और नॉन डिजिटल बैनर्स भी है. See here, let us go to an example. So you get a banner over here. Got it? That is a banner. Okay. All the hoardings are also referred to be banners. When you travel on the highways, you see a lot of hoardings. They are called banners also. Native ads. Click native ads. Most of you don't know, and the industry also doesn't know. Many people in the industry doesn't know this native. 360-degree information. 360-degree information about the product and service. एग्जाम्पल लिख लो. एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे ध्यान से सुनो, पहले सुन लो बाद में लिख लो. नेटिव मतलब 360 डिग्री इंफॉर्मेशन है. अभी से सपोज आई एम ए रियल एस्टेट एजेंट और मुझे एक ब्लॉग लिखना है, क्या मुझे एक ब्लॉग लिखना है, मैं नेटिव फॉर्म में करूँगा। नेटिव फॉर्म में क्या होता है, मैं ये जो है बिल्डिंग कहाँ पे है, कितने दूर से है स्टेशन से, इसके आजू बाजू में कितने स्कूल्स है, कितने हॉस्पिटल्स है, I will cover all the society, one aspect. Next, I will cover entire building documents. ऐसे होता है. Next, I'll talk about the banks. Next, I'll talk about the financing companies to this project. Next, I will talk about the investors for this project, the owners of this project. Next, I will talk about the 2 BHK, 1 BHK, 4 BHK. Next, I will talk about which product is being used, what is being used, how it is being used, and who are developing it, quality standards kya hai. Each and every data that is being there in the customer's mind as a question, that is answered in native form. Means 360-degree information for a product or service, if you are able to give in a blog or an article or anything else, that is called native content marketing. Anybody doubt on this native, please let me know. अभी लिख लो आप. इसमें फोटोस आता है, वीडियोस आता है, कंटेंट आता है, लोकेशन आता है, मैप्स आता है, साइटेशन आता है, एवरीथिंग इज कॉल्ड नेटिव. ये सब इंक्लूड होता है, नॉट जस्ट कंटेंट. फोटो मतलब उसका आएगा, वीडियो मतलब बिल्डिंग का आ जाएगा, सब सब एवरीथिंग. बेसिकली नेटिव कंटेंट जो है ना 5000 वर्ड्स तक जाता है अगर अच्छे से किया जाए तो. इफ यू डू अ गुड नेटिव कंटेंट वर्क, it will be for 5000 words. It will go up to minimum 5000 words. Next, you are promoting the content on social media. You are very well aware of the posts and advertisements. Next, promoted. You pay a lot of money so that your content gets promoted. Say suppose whenever Amitabh Bachchan tweets, below that there is KRK, that person tweet is there. So that is a promoted tweet. All the promoted contents are nothing but content marketing via promotions. There is another example. Say suppose you are there in WhatsApp, you suddenly get a miscellaneous number and a message. That guy has used some platform to promote that content, okay, using a number. That is also promoted. Such all things comes over here, promoted content. So how many ways the content is getting distributed? SEM, SEO, print, banners, native, social, and promoted mediums. Is this clear? Next slide. Tactics. Write down the tactics. Tactics for B2B marketing. Content marketing tactics for B2B marketing. B2B content marketing. So how it is used? What is used? You see here in-person events. First time we discussed. When you meet one person, you give your business card. That is in-person. Write down all the things. I'll tell you. Here the same thing is done in digital medium. So you are trying to address the crowd using technology. A lot of people are listening, you are giving the webinar. Now videos. You are creating videos like YouTube videos, you consume a lot of, they have been created. So you can create such videos and you can use these videos to target your customers. That is also one tactic. Okay. Next, you are writing blogs and you are targeting the market. Okay. Blogging. White papers. Say suppose you have come up with some new technology or something. If you get onto Blue Star company, they release white papers on their uh, website telling that we have this quality, this standard, that is the thing that we are using. Yeah, we approved here. This is development stages. All such things are called white papers. E-newsletter, basically subscription. If you subscribe to that website, they will give you on and on data to your emails. Now, case studies. Case studies are, say suppose so and so a company has been this process. Now it has been a successful thing and it would be coming into effect. Such things are case study. Research reports are also used for case study. If you see most of the research reports in analytics newspapers, you get this. If you get onto their portals like Republic TV, it is a totally digital platform. There you can see there. Ebooks you very well know, pdfdrive.com. Microsite, one site embedded in another site is called microsite. एक site के अंदर multiple sites. You know Meebo? Anybody know Meebo here? This was a website, okay, where you can. अभी ये Google ने खरीद लिया इसको.
Meebo, right? Yeah. All Yahoo, MSN, everything was there on that. All
Yes,
chat.
yes.
It's very old.
It's very old. If
Very
you can
old.
log into, maybe you don't need to log into Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail,
Yeah.
ready. It will do the job for one site embed for everything.
It was when I was in college, so I know this.
I also used to use Meebo.
It's very old.
So this was a site, okay, where it is one site. Under this, multiple sites were there. Say suppose Meebo, I'll go to Google. Then you can understand better. Okay, click enter. Go to images. Now see the image. This was the login. You can log in here. Meebo. All these 4 platforms would be logged in for you. You can just give them and get onto this. Like this. One site embed with multiple. Placementindia.com is also one site in another. Okay, they have 7 sites in one site itself. Okay, that is one example. So there are basically a lot of tactics that are being used. So most of the times, what you need to know is blogging and website. This is same. Video, webinar, in person. These 4 things you need to know very well. These 4 are important for us. This rest is just how content is being distributed. For industries, they use research reports. For industrial, like mechanical industry, they get into this kind of content format. Okay, this is all about content. Now I will tell you about native. That is one word that you were not aware of. See, you leave this data, whatever is being shown here, because this data, what this guy is telling, there is a company. No companies gives better data or better insights on content writing. So there is a company called Buy Intelligence. This guy says that this is the thing, this will go like this, and he says something else. So it is very contradictory. I'll show at the end. So what is native? Native will grow almost 14 billion by 2017, while display and search will be stagnant. So this is all wrong. Okay, but still it will grow. Native will grow, but not to this level. Okay, display advertising you know very well. Search advertising you know very well, because I have taught you in SERP page, search engine results page, with an image display, search, headline, description, and extensions. That is the thing over here. You get into search. Native says you advertise about everything in one article, it becomes popular. That is what native says. See here, native is booming. That is what. There is a company called Buy Intelligence. This guy has told. See here, 2013, 2018. Here he was telling how much? 5.7 billion people, 5.7 billion. It will grow. Okay, there he was telling how much? 14 billion. That is the issue. If you go to the back side, most of the people are getting confused now. What did he say here? He said 14 billion will grow up. Native. You know what is native, right? See here how much it is growing as per estimation. The same company is giving different destination. We cannot take the data very seriously. But yes, native advertisement matlab you are trying to advertise your product on a native style. Native style matlab using the content, you are marketing that content of video, of audio, of display, and all this you are trying to give 360-degree information on a product. Such advertisements you are trying to do. That is called native style advertising. That is the thing. Clear? Now let us conclude by telling what is exactly happening. आप लोग को पता है नेटिव क्या है, बट आपको अभी करेक्ट में पता चल जाएगा. यहाँ पे देखो, native advertising, native marketing creates 53% high awareness of a brand. Why it creates? Just see this. Remember everything that you have been sharing with your friends. क्यों? सब कुछ है उसमें, इसके लिए आप शेयर कर रहे हो. You are having some question, that question is getting been answered in that article, so you are sharing. Any article that is meant for sharing, it uplifts the brand and purchase intent. Don't distract me, give me something interesting. That is what native says. Think of all the things that we shared with our friends on social media or mobiles. We have shared because it is giving some information, it is giving some thought, it is solving some questions that you have in the mind. That is why we are sharing. Native means, remember one thing, 360 degrees information about a product or a service, where you are covering all the issues of the customers and you are motivating the customer to buy your product and service. Such a kind of thing is called native form of content. Are you guys clear with this? Any questions so far? Ask me. If you are having any questions, kindly ask me. This is the last slide. Any questions? No questions? Just write no in the chat. I'll believe.
No, sir, no question.
No questions. Abhilash understood.
Till now it is fine.
Till now it is fine. Yes, yes. So I have just told what is content marketing. Okay. In the next class, I will tell you what is content writing. After that, I will teach you the principles of content writing. Suppose if you are writing, what you need to have in your mind. Okay. Yes. चलो फिर किसको डाउट है वो रुक जाओ. डाउट नहीं है तो पूछो. अनिता मैडम आपको डाउट है तो पूछिए प्लीज. एवरीबडी विल लिसन ऑल्सो, नथिंग टू वरी. आपको पर्सनली डाउट है तो मुझे कॉल कर लीजिए.
पर्सनल डाउट नहीं है सर.
मैडम
वही एंट्रोपी डिजाइन जो कंपनी है, अब अभी तक उसका बिजनेस रेफरल्स के थ्रू आ रहा था. नाउ ही वांट्स टू जनरेट हिज बिजनेस थ्रू हिज वेबसाइट. ऑब्वियसली उसके लिए उसको वेबसाइट रीडिजाइनिंग भी करना है. बट व्हाट आर द वेज ऑफ जनरेटिंग बिजनेस थ्रू वेबसाइट ऑर्गेनिकली, नॉट पेड?
SEO, social media.
Social media is one thing.
Yes. So another thing, and take email.
Email marketing.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because he is not interested. If he is not interested in paid, so these are the options left with him. And WhatsApp marketing.
Sorry?
You are in WhatsApp for business, I guess.
Okay.
WhatsApp for business class you attended, right?
नहीं, मैंने
No,
सोशल मीडिया का कुछ भी अटेंड नहीं करा.
That is not the last class. It was in the starting only. Check your notes. It will be there somewhere.
For my knowledge मैंने नहीं अटेंड किया है. बट ठीक है, मैं चेक करूंगी.
Check कर लो. व्हाट्सएप फॉर बिजनेस वो व्हाट्सएप से चेक करो. ओके.
Okay.
और you can even do email, you can even do SEO, you can even do LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. LinkedIn is the best way to grab for you.
मैंने भी वही सजेस्ट किया था लिंक्डइन, बिकॉज हम लोग भी किसी बिजनेस को ही पकड़ रहे हैं एंड B2B मार्केट इज फॉर B2B लिंक्डइन इज अ ग्रेट प्लेस. बट उसके
Yes.
लिए क्या आई मीन रेगुलर पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा जस्ट फॉर मेकिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट द बिजनेस, राइट? बट कैसे
Okay.
क्या आई मीन उसका आप बोलते हैं ना बॉटल में उतारना, फनलिंग कैसे होगा उसका?
कितना पे कर रहे हो आप लोग मुझे?
मैं
आपकी
तो
कंपनी
सजेशन ले रही हूँ. अभी तो मुझे ही कुछ पे नहीं हुआ है अभी तो.
चलो, I'll give you
In
one.
general, if we talk about not for the
I'll give
company.
you one. I will give you one paid solution.
नहीं, I
You
mean
have
like
to content.
steps क्या होती है, उसका प्रोसेस क्या
Steps.
रहता है?
Now that is what I am telling. Try to
हाँ.
add as many businesses as possible who are your target customers. Means you need to send requests to your target customers. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose आपकी टीम है 5 members का. One person can send 25 to 30 contacts per day. After 15 days, the number grows up to how much? Almost about 1,000. After that, these are all your target customers whom you added. After that, you create a pitch which is in the form of a personal message.
Okay.
In the form of a personal message, you tell them, "Hi, we are so and so. We are doing some brand activities in this COVID. How you can excel your business?" Like that, you are going to write. Please contact us if you are looking for such a kind of service. We are overwhelmed to hear from you. वैसे लिखो. वैसे दिन में कितना जाना चाहिए? 500 जाना चाहिए. ऐसे जितने जितने ऐड करेंगे उतने भेज सकते हैं मैसेजेस.
Okay.
जितना ऐड होगा तभी भेज सकते हैं. दिस इज अ फ्री वे ऑफ डूइंग. So you have to add as many people as possible and send them.
Okay.
This is what companies do.
Okay. तो उसमें भी जो डिसीजन मेकर्स है उनको ही ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना, लाइक CEO, CMOs, मार्केटिंग मैनेजर्स.
Target customer you have to add. और
ओके.
ऐसे करना ही है. ये है. ओके.
SEO तो लंबा प्रोसेस हो गया अभी. बाकी ठीक है, अभी शॉर्ट.
नो मैडम, you can do SEO 4-5 hours बैठ गया तो हो जाएगा.
ओके.
थोड़ा बहुत हो जाएगा. और इतना लेवल पे नहीं. चलिए, और किसी को डाउट्स है?
सर हमारा सोशल मीडिया नहीं हुआ है ना?
नहीं हुआ.
हाँ तो सही है.
सर मैं भी अटेंड करूंगी, मेरा भी नहीं हुआ है, काम करना पड़ रहा है.
ओके मैडम.
सर गुड नाइट सर.
Bye, sir.
बाय बाय. गुड नाइट एवरीबॉडी.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू मैडम. बाय
बाय सर, गुड नाइट.
बाय. गुड नाइट.
Thank you so much for your ongoing support and for your future